Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to level up fast in Love and Deepspace. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If you want to level up quickly, the first thing you should do is focus on completing the main story missions. These usually give the most experiences, and progressing through them unlocks more content that can help you level up even faster. Don't skip side quests either. Sometimes they reward a decent amount of XP and resources. Daily tasks are another easy way to get XP consistently. Make sure you're logging in every day and completing the daily and weekly missions since they often have XP rewards. Also check for limited time events because they sometimes give bonus XP for participating. Another trick is to use stamina or energy efficiently. Instead of letting it max out and go to waste, use it on missions that give the highest XP per energy spent. If the game has XP boost or double XP events, take advantage of them to maximize your progress. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.